Hi. Aren't dreams fascinating? Have you ever wondered why we dream and from where these dreams are coming? Are dreams actually just what we saw, or are they just what we talked about? Or actually, are they predicting something about us, our psyche? Hi, this is Sakshi Seth Grover, counseling and organizational psychologist, researcher, and founder of Cognizavest. Dreams have always been fascinating to people. Let us explore what dreams are and how are they related to psychology. One of the major persons who talked extensively about dreams was Dr. Sigmund Freud. According to the great Sigmund Freud, dreams are the royal road to unconscious. All your anxieties and the suppressed emotions come out there in the dreams. In psychoanalysis, we try to explore and analyze the dreams of the person and try to interpret the same to understand the unconscious conflicts or the intrapsychic conflicts the person is having, which further help us to resolve the problem. When we see our dreams, there are two things that are there in dreams. Two types of content, I would say. The latent content and the manifested content. So the latent content is the hidden content and the manifested content in the picture which you are seeing, or I can say the picturization of the dream that you see. So let's suppose if someone is saying that that person saw the dream where the person is standing on the divergence of two roads. Now the latent content would be whatever we explore by interviewing that person extensively and connecting that picture to the present scenario. So it could be maybe because of the conflict of career and the manifested content in the picturization of the dream. So that means the person standing in front of the diversion would be the manifested dream. Understanding the reason, Freud said that dreams can be there to satisfy your id also. They work through wish fulfillment. So what is wish fulfillment? Now wish fulfillment is where you dream of things being done you wanted to do but they are not actually done. So let's suppose I want to go to office and I'm rushing late. So I might see that I just got up, I brushed my tooth and I left for the office. But when I get up, nothing has been done. So this is called as wish fulfillment according to Freud, and this is also done with the help of the dreams. But do you think that dreams are just the wish fulfillment? No, they are much more there. And Freud said that there are certain elements and which have different meanings or specific meanings for everyone. So for example, if you see yourself falling from the building, it is a symbol of anxiety. It is a symbol that you have an anxiety, maybe a failure or maybe how people would judge you. But do you think every and each element can have same meaning for everyone, because we all have different lives? So contradicting this perception of Freud, Jung said that interpreting dream is very subjective and we cannot have a dictionary of meaning for dreams. So every element cannot mean same for everyone and we cannot have simple process for having interpretation of that dream. But what brings our dreams? How basically dreams come into picture? Till the time I get back to answer these questions, comment below your ideas how dreams actually come. I will be back with the answer to these questions. Till then, stay safe, explore psychology, subscribe to our channel for regular updates.